In this video I'm going to show you how to use the gradient tool. As you can see, it's highlighted in my tools menu here. It's the blue box with the lighter blue line through it. Shortcut key for that is G. You can click on it and there's some further options along the top here. What we're going to do is we're just going to use our simple linear gradient. I'm just going to select a colour, so I'm going to select a dark blue for primary and a sort of green colour for secondary. If I click and drag, it draws from primary colour to secondary colour. Okay, if I left click and hold my mouse button down and drag along the screen. What I love about this is if I want to change the colours while I'm creating my gradient, I just have to click on the colour wheel and it automatically updates my gradient selection. So I can now go from yellow to pink, for example. And when I'm happy with it, I can either just click on the screen here or I can click on finish, and that commits the changes to the layer. And that's it.